Now, the sexual assault case against a practitioner from the Nalibali reading campaign has been postponed to the 2nd of May 2025, and this is pending the verification of his residential address. Siyabulela Daitai appeared briefly in the Roodepoort Magistrates Court this morning, where he stands accused of molesting a grade 3 girl learner at Brumfisher Primary School. Action SA, which has come forward to support the victim and their family, is urging community members to offer support to one another in such cases.
Sekunxuswa imphakathi ukuba ubumbane ube imbumba uma kukhona izigameko zokuhlukunyezwa kwezingane emphakathini. Lokhu kushiwo iqembu le-Action SA ebelizokweseka umama wentombazanyana obefunda ibanga lesithathu eBramfisherville okusolwa ukuthi waba yisulu sokunukubezwa ngokocansi.
Action SA sizosupport umama umntwana nomntwana ukuthi icase le fanele ibe nesidima, kufanele kuzwakale ukuthi we are here, we are protecting the kids. And then another thing esinayo ukuthi we don't see much of people protecting abantwana, especially umntwana lo warepwa esikolweni. But we don't see any action, especially to our government, being taken or the support. As now silana, we want to plead to umphakathi waseBramfish ukuthi on Friday the next case, please, abo mama, the councillors, umphakathi wonke must come and support, so the perpetrators can see ukuthi this doesn't start here and it doesn't stop here.
Kuzokhumbuleka ukuba lo daba lwabhobozwa yiSoweto TV ngenyanga eyedlule, nokuyilapho umsolo osebenzela iNalibali waboshelwa leli cala. Kanti-ke namhlanje uvele kancane phambi kwemantshi lase-ke lihlehliswa icala njengoba kusazoqinisekisa indawo yokuhlala. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngiseRoodepoort.